Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to share the link or the open tab on different devices signed in with the same Gmail account. Say suppose this is my Chrome app and it is signed in with the username as dummy demo account. Now if the same email ID has been signed in other device, what I can do is I can simply send the links from my Android phone to that particular device. So tap on these three dot options, go to share, and within the share you have this option send link to devices. So just select that and it is showing that currently I have one linked device where I can just choose that particular device and the link will be automatically popped up into that particular device. So here you can see the page is appearing, and if I just select this open in new tab, the page will open. So in this way I can open and send the links to the connected devices using the Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.